State responsibility in international law, visualized. State responsibility sets the legal results of a state wrongful act, its obligations and the rights and powers of any state affected by the wrongdoing. Such a responsibility arises when an act or omission of a state constitutes a breach of an international obligation. The conduct is attributable to a state where it is undertaken by its organs, or public servants and entities, or by persons under its control. However, a state cannot escape responsibility where that entity exceeds its authority. On the other side, a state can be responsible for the wrongful acts of another if it provides assistance, or directs and controls the other state, or where it forces another state to commit an wrongful act. Unless it violates a jus cogens norm, the wrongfulness of an act of a state is excused in the following cases. The victim states approved the conduct. The act is a countermeasure or a self-defense, or caused by force majeure, or carried out in distress, or to safeguard the state's interest without affecting others. In all cases, the legal consequences of a wrongful act include the following duties on the wrongdoer state: to perform the obligation breached, to cease and not repeat the wrongful act, and to pay reparation, while taking into account the victim's state contributory negligence. Lastly, a serious breach of international law invokes the interest of all states to end it, and the victim state can as well take lawful countermeasures based on proportionality.